many benefits to freelancing, including the ability to set your own rates, work from home, and choose your own clients. However, there are also some challenges that come with freelancing, such as finding work, managing your finances, and dealing with the ups and downs of work-life balance. In our video, we cover everything you need to know about freelancing, from setting up your profile to marketing your services. We also give some tips on how to be a successful freelancer. After watching our video, you'll be ready to start making money on freelancers. So what are you waiting for? Tune in now and learn how to get started. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Choose a niche. Choosing a niche. It is important to consider your goals. What do you hope to achieve by freelancing? Do you want to build a long-term career? Or are you simply looking for a way to make some extra money? By considering your goals, you can ensure that you choose a niche that is right for you and your business. Another important consideration when choosing a niche is your skill set. It is important to choose a niche in which you have the skills and knowledge necessary to be successful. This can help to make the freelancing process easier and can also help you to attract clients who are looking for someone with your particular skill set. Find a marketable skill. Someone with a marketable skill can be in high demand in today's economy. There are many opportunities available for those with marketable skills, and it is important to find the right one for you. Find out what skills are in high demand and which are in short supply. This information is available online and through job resources. Connect with people who work in the industry you are interested in. Ask them for advice on how to find a marketable skill and how to market it. There are many ways to market a marketable skill. For example, try writing articles, creating videos, or creating websites. Create a high-quality portfolio site. As a freelancer, one of the most important things you can do is create a high-quality portfolio site. This will be the first thing that potential clients see when they Google your name, and it will be the deciding factor in whether or not they decide to hire you. Only showcase your absolute best work on your portfolio site. In addition to showcasing great work, you also need to write compelling descriptions of each project. This is your chance to really sell yourself and your skills. Find the right freelance platform. Finding the right freelance platform can be a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the options available. Do your research before you even start looking for a freelance platform. Make sure you have a good understanding of what they are and what they can do. There are a number of different platforms available, so it's important to have a good understanding of what each one can offer. One of the main factors to consider when choosing a freelance platform is your workflow and budget. Charge the right price. If you're a freelancer, then you know that one of the most important things you can do is charge the right price for your services. But how do you know what the right price is? If you're new to freelancing, it's important to not undervalue your services. Remember, you are providing a valuable service, and you deserve to be paid fairly for it. Of course, it's also important to not overprice your services, as this will likely turn potential clients away. The key is to find a happy medium where you're comfortable with the price you're charging and the client is happy with the value they are receiving. Level up your skills. Do you feel like your skills are plateauing? Do you think you could be doing better if you had more experience? There is no shame in admitting that you need to level up your skills. One way to level up your skills is to take on more freelance work. This can be a great way to gain experience and increase your skill set. As you become more experienced, you will be better equipped to take on more formal work. Another way to level up your skills is to take on paid training. This can be a great way to learn new skills or refresh an old one. Training can also give you the opportunity to network with other professionals. Send your first proposal. When you're new to freelancing, the process of sending proposals can be daunting, but don't worry, with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Before you even start drafting your proposal, make sure you do your research. This means reading the job posting carefully, researching the client and their business, and understanding what they are looking for. Your proposal is your first chance to make a good impression on the client, so make sure it's professional and polished. This means avoiding typos, using proper grammar, and choosing a respectful tone. Deliver beyond expectations. As a freelancer, you always want to deliver beyond expectations. It not only makes you look good, but also keeps clients coming back for more. This is the most classic way to deliver beyond expectations. When you underpromise, you leave room for error. Then, when you overdeliver, the client is always pleasantly surprised. The more you know about your client, the better you can cater to their needs. By understanding their business and what they are looking for, You can deliver exactly what they need and often even more. Build your credibility. As a freelancer, your credibility is everything. It is what gets you hired and keeps you employed. When you are approached with a new project, take the time to research the topic and become an expert on it. Your clients will appreciate your knowledge and be more likely to hire you again in the future. Nothing will damage your credibility more than missing a deadline or forgetting to follow up with a client. Stay on top of your projects and communicate with your clients regularly to ensure that everyone is on the same page. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on the bell icon.